What time did she blank up? Answer B, get. If I blank you, I would study harder. Answer C, were. She has blank lived here for 10 years. Answer A, already. Between you and blank, this is confidential. Answer B, me. The data blank analysed yesterday. Answer B, were. Each of the students blank their own laptop. Answer B, has. I wish I blank taller. Answer C, were. Blank did you give the book to? Answer B, whom? She speaks English blank than her brother. Answer B, more fluently. I need to blank down for a while. Answer A, lie. The weather will blank our travel plans. Answer A, affect. There are blank people here today than yesterday. Answer C, fewer. By the time we arrived, they blank already left. Answer B, had. The cat cleaned blank paw carefully. Answer A, its. Neither the teacher blank the students were ready. Answer B, nor. She suggested that he blank the test again. Answer C, take. It was blank who called last night. Answer B, she. I look forward blank meeting you. Answer A, to. The movie blank we watched was excellent. Answer B, that. She is blank honest person. Answer B, an. If I blank known, I would have come earlier. Answer A, had. The cake was blank by the children. Answer C, eaten. He said he'd blank come tomorrow. Answer D, would. Blank, running down the hall, I heard the bell ring. Answer Answer C. While. She blank to the store every morning. Answer B. Goes. The book blank on the table belongs to me. Answer C. Lying. I would rather blank at home tonight. Answer A. Stay. The committee blank reached a decision. Answer D. Has. Blank of the twins is older. Answer B. Which? She acted as blank, she knew everything. Answer B. Though. The news blank shocking to everyone. Answer A. Was. I can't find my keys blank. Answer A. Anywhere. He drives blank than his father. Answer C. More carefully. The house blank windows are broken, needs repair. Answer C. Whose? I have blank finished my homework. Answer B. Already. Neither of the answers blank correct. Answer A. Is. She prefers tea blank coffee. Answer B. Too. If he blank earlier, he would have caught the bus. Answer C. Had left. The results blank announced tomorrow. Answer A. Will be. Blank, you finish your work, you may leave. Answer C. As soon as. How did you do? Drop your score in the comments. If you nailed 20 or more, you're a grammar superstar. Missed a few? No worries. Hit subscribe and join us for daily challenges that'll sharpen your skills. What grammar topic should we quiz next? Let me know below.